Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about WAXP Coin, guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price prediction of the WAXP Coin. What's the price changes over in the WAX. Let me show you guys, and that is the warning video for all of you. I'm warning all of you that please be alert and be safe from loss. Be safe from loss, guys, because the huge loss is coming in the WAXP Coin, and a lot of people are worrying about that. Anyways, guys, before starting this video, subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about the WAXP Coin. So now the latest price of the WAX in the market is 0.371273 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the WAX. Furthermore, guys, other side, if you talk about the price changes occur in the WAX, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day, changes occur in the WAX coin is completely negative. The price very badly falls down. Only, guys, the last 1 week changes occur in the WAX coin is positive. 1 week change is positive and the latest changes is going wrong, guys. So guys, this means that the previous time is a good time of WAX coin. You already know about that in the previous time the price of WAX very good pumps. That's just talking for all of you. Pumps. The previous time of WAX coin is really a good time. But unfortunately, in the latest situation, you can see your last 1 hour in last 1 day, the changes of the WAX coin is going wrong. The price changes is negative. I mean, the price decrease, the price becomes low. So that's why, guys, now at this time I recommend for you, and my technical analysis tells us that they will continue this for the upcoming 4 days. And you know what? If you hold to the next month, so possibility is that in the beginning of next month, the price take again jump. So that's why I recommend for you to please hold. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.